Welcome to the third lesson where we'll be discussing the third type of chemical bonding. We have looked at the first one, which is ionic bonding. We have looked at the second one, which is covalent bonding. Alright, let's look at the learning points. At the end of this lesson, we should be able to state how to identify metals using the periodic table. We should be able to describe what happens to electron in metallic bonding, and we should be able to explain some key properties of metallic bonding or metallic compound. Alright, only metals elements are involved in metallic bonding. So the elements involved in metallic bonding are the metals, which can be found in the middle and on the left. The middle and on the left hand side of the periodic table. What is metallic bonding? Metal exists in giant repeating structure of positive metal ions surrounded by electrons which have delocalized from the outer electron shell. Now, these are electrons that has been delocalized from the outer electron shell, can we see, around the positive metal ion. So strong electrostatic force exists between the positive metal ion and the delocalized electron. The group 2 metal atoms lose their two outer electrons to form two ions. There is a greater number of delocalized electrons. There is greater difference in charge between the ion and the electron. So stronger electrostatic attraction are formed. In summary, group 2 metals form stronger metallic bond than group 1 metals. Now let's look at properties of metallic bond. We'll look at it under conductivity, boiling and melting point, malleability, and their appearance. Metals are good conductors of electricity and heat, and the reason is that the delocalized electrons are free to move and pass on the electrical charge and thermal energy. So the delocalized electrons are free, they move, and their movement pass across the electrical charge or the thermal energy from heat. Metals have high melting and boiling points, and this is because the metallic bonding in giant metallic structure is very strong. And the strong electrostatic force between the positive ion and the delocalized electron require high amount of energy to overcome, so thereby making their boiling point and melting point to be very high. Talking about malleability, most pure metals are malleable, which means they can be bent or hammered into shape. The regular structure allows the layer to slide over each other upon impact from instruments such as a hammer. Alloy are made of more than two elements. They have a less regular structure when impact. The malleability and ability of layers to slide over each other. So metals are malleable, that is, they are easily bent or hammered into shape. Alright, now talking about their appearance, metals are lustrous, that is, they are shiny. This is because they are delocalized electron on the surface of the metal. So the presence of the delocalized electron on the surface of the metal contribute to the shiny and lustrous appearance of metal. Let's quickly look at the practical question. Which type of bonding takes place between metal elements only? The answer is metallic bonding. Which type of bonding has delocalized electron? And that is metallic bonding as well. So in summary, only metals are involved in metallic bonding, and metal exists in giant repeating structure of positive metal ion surrounded by delocalized electron. Thank you. Join me on the next lesson.